delicious. Had to get this Fuggler, right? Gollum. Nice box. Got this gold heat stamping of text and nice filigree here. Lord of the Rings, obviously. Oh, Gandalf, I guess. You shall not pass. And indication of Frodo as well. And then we have some legal stuff here. Licensing, approval, copyright 2024. And up here, just a color logo and the Lord of the Rings logo. And for some reason, B, maybe Gollum is figure B in the collection. I don't know. There's only these three. I wonder if they're going to go and add some more. Maybe, boy, what's the name of the one that Orlando Bloom played? The elf guy. Well, anyhow, open with caution. And here we go. So, what a goofy looking creature. Just can't get my ruler, see how tall this one is. This one's around 21 centimeters, maybe even less. So it's basically around 8 inches or so, a little bit over maybe. I think this is the first Fuggler I have that's made of what it looks like cotton. It looks like cotton khakis or something, khaki jean pants kind of thing. Very long arms, not quite touching the ground, but they're well defined, and the legs are well defined as well. I thought this was a print at first, but it actually is a separate sewn up tunic? What are these things called? Waist pants? Medieval leather shorts, I guess. Pretty thin material, but they're stitched okay. On the back we have their button, and it's a standard color, so it's not a chase one or anything like that. And then we have the funky paracord hair. And they did go and, well, no, this one isn't fully melted. So if you don't want your paracord to melt and stuff like that, you're going to want to seal these things off. So we'll just do that now. Yeah, the stuff will unravel quite a bit. If you wet your fingers, you'll keep the plastic from burning you so much. Let me come back after I do this. Alright, so that worked out pretty well. And now you could flap the hair, flip the hair around, getting stuck in its mouth it seems. Yeah, very neat. So, how many pieces of hair are there? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 paracord hairs. Then we have the eyes here as well. We have felt, unfortunately, covering. Let's just get that out of the way. And it's got blue eyes. I think Gollum did have sky blue eyes, so yeah, that's a good match. These are the cat eyes, so you can see the color better. The pupils narrower than usual. I wish they had really small pupils so you could see the color of the eyes more. This ear is kind of, well, it's quite different from the other one. They are folded, actually, yeah, they're made the same way, but somehow this ear just looks better the way it's folded over. This one's just, it was stitched too tight a certain way. But maybe with enough manipulation you can get it to work. Maybe. There's no wire in there though. So we have a felt tongue here, as you can see, and so then we have these sharp teeth, which is very fitting, so very unlike other Fugglers, these things. There's a little bit of a molding flash though. And so what do we have? 3, 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. It's missing 2 teeth. And same up here. So I think they're actually the same teeth, just flipped over. But it looks asymmetric because of it. If we jam the tongue in, let's see if we can do that. I'm having a hard time getting my finger in there. The mouth isn't a very deep recess, I don't think, or it's hard to tell. If I can get the tongue out of the way, we can see if it can bite down. Now, unfortunately, the mouth recess isn't big enough, right? No, it's colliding right here anyway, so I was thinking you could show it with its mouth closed. But it seems like, for some reason, they want you to always keep the tongue sticking out. That's fine. It's cool. Alright. I'm not sure why they decided to put this, like, dog nose on here. It might have been, well, I don't know. Maybe it looked okay without it. They printed on some ridges here. They could have maybe printed on the nose. Well, I don't know. Alright, so you notice the pink of the mouth is actually different from the pink of the tongue. This is a far grayer pink. Alright. And that's it. Yeah, not much else there. Yeah. Gollum. So a couple other evildoers in movies. We have the Joker here from the DC series. And Joker's quite a tall one. And Mojo Jojo from the Powerpuff Girls series. So Mojo's kind of a short one as well, but the hat makes him the tallest. So these expressions are just funny. It's just it's so weird. But oddly, Mojo has really sunken in eyes. They're very flat. You know, these eyes are bulging out. So I prefer the bulging out look. You can look up reviews of these other two elsewhere on the channel. Appreciate you guys checking this out today, and I'll probably end up getting Gandalf and maybe even Frodo as well. So we'll see about that in the future.